Good morning. Saturday. We're coming up on my favorite fountain, so I'm actually going to flip it around so you can see that. It's just so pretty. Just like my husband. So pretty. He hates me. It's early. It's like 7:05 maybe. And we are on our way to Magic Kingdom. What are we doing?
On a tour.
A tour. Ooh, nice sun in the face. Yes, we're going and doing the Keys of the Kingdom tour, and I'm super excited. I think it's the thing that I've been looking forward to the most on this trip. Except for, being with Mike and just Mike. But besides that, this is what I'm looking most forward to. So I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Of course I'm excited.
What's your name?
My name is Mike.
All right, so we're at lunch at Pecos Bill's. Pecos Bill?
Pecos Bills. Pecos Bill.
Pecos Bill. How are you enjoying our tour?
It's pretty awesome.
Oh my gosh. I need to start writing down notes and things because it's been awesome so far.
Yeah. You think you know everything, but you don't.
No. Oh my gosh. And it's just like this general knowledge stuff that I know. But then it's like, oh, but past that, did you also know? It's like, hey, did you know the castle was tall, but did you also know that it was tall because of this reason? Like, no, I didn't. All right, let's eat some lunch. Mike got a
rice bowl.
A rice bowl. I got a bacon cheeseburger. Focus. There we go. I got a bacon cheeseburger, some chips, and some soda, and then we'll continue on our tour. We still have a couple more hours to go here. Our tour guide is awesome.
Yeah, she's really good.
She's great. So, all right, we're back. I know we kind of didn't do anything today,
No,
but we did. Well, we did. We went on a 6-hour tour, or 5-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. Just kidding.
The show she's never seen.
Listen. And so we went back to the hotel because we were up early and we were tired. So I was going to go and sit by the pool while I took a nap, and we both ended up taking like an hour and a half, 2-hour nap, which was well needed because we're going to be out late tonight. Theme park squirrel. So we're on our way to get something to drink, and then we're going to head out to Animal Kingdom.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. Here's researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit.
But you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
I think that every single video I've taken of you so far has been of you eating and what you think of it, or what you thought of a ride or a show. So, why would this one be any different? What'd you get?
I had a black bean burger.
How was it?
It was delicious. So part of my whole thing has been eating vegetarian, even though I cheated a couple times, like today. But just trying to find options because it's a challenge of eating, especially when you're like me and you're bored and you eat everything.
Yeah, but tell me what you told me yesterday when you woke up.
I felt better. Like I literally legitimately feel better. trust me, I still love my meat, but I was figured, hey, let's give it a try. A lot of times when I'm here and I eat so much, I feel sick in the morning. So yesterday morning I didn't feel sick. Hopefully tomorrow morning will be the same.
I, however, did not get a black bean burger. I got a drink. Primordial something. I don't know. I had no idea how to pronounce it, and Jimmy at the bar told me how to pronounce it, and I don't remember already. But it's basically a lemonade with blue curacao and vodka, and basically the same drink I had on Thursday, but blue instead of purple. So I'm gonna drink it and I'm going to enjoy it, and then we're gonna go on Dinosaur, and then I'm gonna go on Expedition Everest after having this, and once Mike tastes this, he's gonna realize that me going on Expedition Everest after drinking this is gonna be a lot of fun.
All right.
Dance 10.
Nah. No dancing.
Hey, what's my favorite, like, random fact about this spot?
The color of the pipes.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup.
Thanks, McDonald's. You can't see us, but we made it, but we didn't get the iguanodon. Where were we to even put it? Oh wait, there's an empty seat. We could have had him back there. Oh,
Yeah, good idea.
darn it. One of these days I'm going to actually have you hold the camera since you're taller.
You got short little arms, just makes it better.
I got little Tyrannosaurus Rex arms. So we just did Dinosaur after I just had that drink. And I'm not going to lie, it was kind of a lot better after having a drink.
Still a great ride, though.
Like, it's a great ride, but I'm not going to lie. Like, it was actually really fun. Like, on the woo-woo-woos. So what better way...
what?
On the woo-woo-woos. So what better way to keep this nice feeling going by going and riding Everest. We're breaking free. Flying. There's not story heaven that we can reach. And we're trying.
I don't even know the song.
Oh, you're so not a 90s kid.
Yeah, the misconception of being scavengers, there's not very truth to that. They do most of their hunting. And they'll make a really quick meal out of whatever they catch. A group of 4 hyenas can eat an entire wildebeest, bones and all, in about 30 minutes.
Oh, watch out, wildebeest. Okay, pro tip. If you are trying to get into Pandora, or if you're just trying to find a different way to walk around Animal Kingdom, from the safaris, head as far right as possible and take this little back path. It's super quiet, it's super quaint, it's super cute, and I just love it. I think it's great. It's also super loud back here on this path, so just be aware of that. But if you come at night too, it starts to light up. Little like twinkly lights. But you'll start to see lights turn on like back here. That's not really a good example. There's little like green lights in the trees just turn on, which are really, really cool. Or you'll see things like there's like some purple ones over there. Oh, that's nice. Welcome to the Valley of Moab. Oh, listen to all the sounds. Can you hear the banshees?
Now, everyone, say it with us! Ha! Ha! Yes, say it with us! Ha! Everyone, all together! Now listen, everyone! All together! Use louder!
It is just about midnight.
11:57.
11:57, so midnight. Magic Kingdom closed at midnight tonight, and the goal was to stay until then, but we were just too tired. Especially since we had been up at 6.
Yeah.
We did take that little nap in between, but I purposely made sure that our fast passes for tomorrow weren't until I think our first one's from like 10 to 11, and we've actually already been on I'm pretty sure all the rides that we have fast passes for at Epcot we've already been on this trip, so it's not like we're like, oh, it's our once in a lifetime chance to go on Test Track. Like we went on Test Track yesterday, or the day before. I don't remember, we went on Test Track already, but anyway, so we are heading back to the hotel room now, and we are just going to absolutely crash.
Yep.
And wake up at some point tomorrow, and I know that we do have lunch at Wolfgang Puck tomorrow, so that'll be nice. And kind of taking an easy day tomorrow, because then we've got an early morning on Monday for the Toy Story hours, and then balls to the walls, go big or go home. Well, we will go play big and then go home. So have a good night. We're going to bed once we finally get to our hotel room.
Peace.